有关朋友。
来看美国的运动会刊今年的游泳衫特别专辑，封面的人物是有史以来上侪岁81岁家政女王玛莎·史都华。伊讲伊无要伊年纪哦，敢若希望讲家己会当继续接受无同款的挑战，人生过了精彩上重要。
美国运动会刊2023年度游泳总特辑，找81个生活大师玛莎·史都华翕封面，伊甲翕相的过程放伫咧网络顶，讲人生阶段性的挑战无年纪的差别，拍破界线，才能够创人生的新高峰，鼓励女性勇敢面对自我，展现家己上水的一面。
I was up for the challenge and I accepted it and I worked toward it and I accomplished it, and who knew that the response would be so vast and exciting. Breaking barriers is a good thing, and showing people new opportunities is also a great thing.
运动会刊2022年是找新创企业家马斯克74岁妈妈梅伊马斯克翕封面，今年国创纪录。玛莎·史都华正做杂志年纪上大方面人物，伊正注重健康甲身材，逐工拢固定的行路甲骑脚踏车。翕封面进前2个月，每礼拜各加做3-4点钟的皮拉提斯运动，来保持上好的状态。2023年另外一位方面人物是30岁格莱美奖得主、德国跨性别歌手金比特拉斯。
I believe in equality. I believe everyone's worth the exact same and deserves to be respected.
Nothing we do is ever based on tokenism. You know, we want it to be consistent. We want the conversation to keep going. Giving examples for women to see themselves represented on a major magazine and major media is really important to us.
第一个总编辑讲，因伫咧拣方面的人选，想法甲过去无共款，唔敢若只是得到流行啊尔，更加深层的意义是希望会当传达女性完整的水，是让跨过年纪甲性别的界线。公司新闻张淑芬编辑。
过来消息了。